already started. Oh, you're not recording yet.
Look how much more darker mine is.
Why? Why is it dark?
Because of the lighting.
Okay, scoot over a little bit. Okay. We're gonna both chug this. You gotta drink it all.
Well, first we should introduce ourselves. I'm Maestro Vlogging from my channel, Maestro Vlogging. You're watching this on my channel, and
you know who I am. Are you ready?
They don't know. Okay, so what we have to do is to drink this whole thing, and so you can come up with the most loudest.
I'm gonna vomit all over you.
Okay, you ready? Go.
That's fizzy.
That's what she said. You've already failed this challenge.
I've already won. Oh, it's...
I've been doing this for longer. I know what to do. That's what she said. We're almost finished. Oh, God. Oh God, I almost threw up. Oh wait, now my face is brighter. This is all we're doing.
No Dorito. Vomit in my mouth.
I guess I won.